What is up, YouTube viewers? It's been a minute since I've done an unboxing video, but today I got in a pair of New Balances. I won these off a raffle, an Aime Dore raffle, as you know by the title. Pretty good luck if you get sent these ahead of time, those raffles, if you're like a previous customer and they send you a raffle link to your email that is ahead of the release, the public release, you're gonna have pretty good success. So that's how I got access to these. Hit on the raffle. I'm pretty sure that it's got to be a really good percentage chance of hitting when they do that, because that's just my feeling on that. But it took them a minute to get distributed. Probably, you know, global supply things. I think they also do that to get a feel for how good this sale is going to be in putting supply elsewhere. I don't know. But either way, they reward people past customers by doing that. So I appreciate it. Who knows their reasoning for doing that? But either way, it gets in the hands of the people who want it. I feel better than leaving it up to bots to scoop things. So that's what we have. We have some Aime Dore packaging here. New Balance on the side. So this is different packaging than their previous collabs. Right here, I have this old GameCube on top of that. Don't ask me why. We have the 550s, which I'm rocking right now. I did an unboxing video of these that I'm wearing. Go check that out. I already have some thoughts. I wore these heavily over the Thanksgiving holiday, and so I already have some thoughts on these. Eventually, maybe I'll do a wear review video. Comment if you want to see that wear review video. And while you're commenting, go ahead and click the subscribe button. All right, the plug done for now. So I got these in 11.5. And there's the style code right there. So let's open these up. That's what you're here for, right? We don't have a hinge lid. We have a full removal lid. And this is definitely sturdier than the 550 box that I just showed you, which is flimsy. Whoa! I always love the grand unveiling. The first time you see these things in person. And these look different than they do online in person to me. I mean, the shape is all out of whack because they're not laced, but the color looks slightly different. To me, online, this light color suede that you see here is kind of blown out in pictures. It looks a little whiter, a little whiter than these in person. In person, this is definitely a little more creamy, a little darker, hint darker, a touch of brown in there, and so yeah. Definitely different in my mind than most photos online. Maybe some photos have the color correct, but most of them, this just looks way brighter white. And in person, definitely a more sandy color to it. So a lot going on here. Already I can feel by handling it, maybe you can tell in the video, higher quality than your typical, you know, Nike shoe or some Adidas. Definitely. The price point on these were $200, so definitely not a cheap retail price point. So some of those dollars for that higher cost are going towards the quality and construction. But these are 993s. Was I calling these 992s? These are 993s. My bad. Don't kill me in the comments. I corrected myself. These are New Balance made in USA 993s collaboration with Aime Dore. I'll go through some of the details. Sometimes I'm not good at that because other channels that's what you go to for the other channels. But I'll go through the details here. You have the 993 there. The Aime ALD hit on the back. Different material right there. Real rugged canvas type material, almost ripstop material. You have this really soft suede. I think this is a reflective New Balance N logo right there. And on the eyelet there, 993. And then on the insole here, you have super soft, furry insole with the ALD logo there. What else? I really like the thing about these right away. I like the black sole. That's unique. You usually don't get that. The midsole, black midsole, and the black outsole. You have your New Balance end cap technology, I think. It doesn't brand it as such. Oh, there it might. It's the absorb technology there. You have this maroon coloring. So back to what I was about to say. I like the colors on this light color, super light color, like, I don't know, brown or sandy color. I like this blue in this this mesh here, and I like the maroon purple, dark purple here, and this like dimpled leather. It's not dimpled here on the heel tab. I like these colors. The color blocking is not my favorite on this 993. That's the only thing. The color blocking is not my favorite. I really dig the color blocking on the Joe Freshgoods 990 V3, and I like most 2002 Rs and those color blockings. This, for me, I think what it is this big thick patch of leather here. It's usually one color, and then they keep it with the color of the mud guard and the heel guard. I think if this was like maybe maroon, this middle piece, it would still be thick, but I don't know. It's something about the color blocking to me that while symmetrical, it's just, to me, not balanced enough. There's too much of this suede material and color. And that's how they do the color blocking on a lot of these. The other color, these came in two colorways, as you probably know. This is one, and then it came in like the brown, primarily brown colorway, and hits of green, the beef and broccoli, if you will, colorway. That is, I think, color blocked differently. But for me, just this, I really dig the colors. I just don't love this big chunk of... that's just me. Anyone agree with me? Comment. Oh, so here we go. Got some extra sets of laces. Comes stock with the black in, which I think could be dope. But if I do lace these up, I think I'm going with this multicolored tan and maroon. I think that would be the play. Right? What laces do you guys think are the best? Let me know. So anyways, I could try these on, but they're not lace, so I don't know what they'll get you. But I'll try one on quick so you can see a little bit what it would look like on foot. I really do think, yeah, those multicolored laces, those are hitting. I'm going to take these 550 ALDs off. Really like, quick review, like them. Comfortable, but not as comfy as I once thought. I was like, in my unboxing video, if you go check it out, you can see me feeling the insole and the ortholite. It's super cushiony, and I'm like, oh, these are comfortable. Yeah, they're comfortable, but not crazy comfortable. All day of walking in these, I would not recommend. Okay, let's slide these on. Price on these, as I said, was $200 retail. My size, these 11.5, my size is going for like $300 on StockX though, in this colorway. If you like these, I highly suggest, and some people like the brown ones better, highly suggest checking out the brown ones, the beef and broccoli ones, because those are basically sitting at retail on StockX. Granted, fees, etc., taxes, shipping, it's going to put you a little well over retail, but the base starting point is basically retail. So if you missed out on these, I highly suggest, and you kind of want them, but you're like, they're all sold out, check out your size in the brown ones. And some people might like those better. I bet a lot of you like the brown ones better. Let me know which colorway you prefer in the comments. I'm just more of a lighter color guy, so that's why I like these. But those ones you can get for retail, essentially. I bet you can get on eBay. Check eBay, check GOAT, check other websites, because that's not bad for a sold out sneaker. Being able to get it at retail, especially a really high quality one like this, I would definitely recommend. So I'm a little torn whether I'm going to keep these or not. These definitely feel comfortable. They're not laced up, but they definitely feel comfortable. Do not mind if I'm wearing Nike socks. You can't tell. I haven't shown you the logo. These may or may not be old ratty white Nike socks. But I think these look better on foot, actually. The more and more I'm handling these and putting these on, the more I like them. So I was thinking of like just, you know, kind of seeing how I feel. I was gonna maybe trade these in for another pair of shoes that I want. I really want the Joe Fresh Goods ones, so I was gonna like maybe sell these, buy the Joe Fresh Good ones. But like the more I'm looking at them, the more I really like them. So that being said, Teddy Santis, the founder of ALD and now the creative director at New Balance, they're going to keep doing collabs, ALD and New Balance. They're going to keep doing collabs, so maybe they might come out with another colorway in this model. They're definitely going to keep coming out with different flavors of this, both the general release and the ALD collab version, like these. So there will be more to come. So I don't know. What should I do, folks? Lowheat fans. Trade these in, get the Joe Fresh Goods ones. But Joe Fresh Goods is going to keep collabing with New Balance. There's already a rumor a new 990 V3 might be coming from them. So maybe I should just try to get that retail rather than spending the extra money on the aftermarket price of the Joe Fresh Goods. Anyways, I really like these now. Having them on foot, I'm vibing with them even more. This is definitely, 3M. I really like the colors. It's just kind of the blocking for me. I think the black sole's unique. And so, yeah. And I definitely think if you like these, vibe with these at all, you should check out the brown pair because they're super affordable. Depending on what your definition of affordable, they're close to retail. These, a little pricier. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Please give my channel a subscribe. Gonna have some more videos coming up. Got a pair of Dunks on the way. Bought a pair of another sneakers off StockX. So got some things coming. Gonna keep doing some videos. I'll start making more wear review videos. So those will be on the way. And yeah, appreciate it.